grateful appreciation and acknowledgement to their presence and great contribution and invaluable support as judge of Limgas na Bugallon 2025 and sharing their time, knowledge, and expertise which made it more memorable and successful. Given this 12th day of January 2025 at Bugallon Auditorium, Poblacion, Bugallon, Pangasinan. Signed by Chairman Limgas na Bugallon 2025, John Carlos Santiago. Co-Chairman Limgas na Bugallon 2025, Jeric Aaron Javier. And our Municipal Mayor, Honorable Priscilla I. Espino. May we have Miss Janine Carlos. May we have on stage to present the award, Sir John Carlos Santiago together with Sir Jeric Aaron Javier and Miss Karen Grace Emano. Together with our Honorable Mayor Priscilla I. Espino. Please on stage. May we have the presenters on stage, please? The Chairman of Limgas na Bugallon 2025, Sir John Carlos Santiago. Together with the co-chair, Sir Jeric Aaron Javier and Miss Karen Grace Elmano.